Hey guys, I'm Alex, and today I'll be solving the Rubik's Cube again. So, when you guys weren't watching this, I kind of solved, this, which isn't that good, but, it's still okay. So, we're not going to solve the blue, we're going to solve the orange, we're going to try carry on. And, wait, no, we're going to try and make some cool stuff. So, you see this? Wait, no, I just need to get rid of you, little bird of grit. I just made this. Spaceship. Okay, I don't need that either. So, look, that kind of looks like a worm. Like, in worm forks. See that worm up there? That kind of looks like him. So, gotta get this. But I got my orange again. But guys, please, if you're watching this video, please like and subscribe. Just please do it. I just need some likes and I need some subscribe points. Please do it. Okay. So, I just had that. Okay. We got that there. We just need one! Like the other videos. Where is it? Oh. Oh, look. That's so annoying. Oh, I almost got it. Guys. I got it. Yes. Okay, I think that might be the end of the video. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Goodbye.